mocking something or some concept. I think we're good at this in marketing, mostly because like we understand problem and solution like references, right? We're really good at showing you problems and solutions. A really good example of this though is the Duolingo bird. Duolingo like mocks a lot of stuff about like not being able to learn a language, or like we're mocking you because you can't keep a streak up. Like they're kind of mean. Like that bird is intense, but parody on TikTok is everywhere.